This plane here looks weird to me when I do the 3 points. So what I'm going to do here is create a plane, and I want it to go along this line perpendicular to this line at this point. Now it's defaulting to angle normal plane, which is great. I'm going to click on that line, and it stayed on that because it thinks I want to do that. But I don't want to do that one. So the one I want is normal to curve. Remember I said normal to curve puts a line plane in the middle? That's just the default. You can click on this point and pick that endpoint here at that vertex. So I'm trying to grab that vertex, and again, it's giving me troubles trying to get near there. So got to go back to the tree here and pick point number 3, and it puts that plane right at the end. I select OK. So I use that same line as I did for the middle, except that I changed the default from the middle to this endpoint over here. So that one is flat. And again, if I were to change point number 3, change the Y value to something like 4, it moves everything, and that plane goes, this plane stays in the middle, all these lines that are connected know to move with it. I'm going to hit undo, and we'll go down to the bottom here. This is the new geometrical set. We're going to rename this normal to curve. Okay, so that is how you create a plane perpendicular to a curve or line, either in the middle or at a specific point. In another exercise, I've shown how to create points equally spaced along this line. You could pick a point along this line. So if you want to divide it in thirds, you could pick a point every third of the way. All right, that was an example of normal to curve. I like that one better than the 3 point just because the 3 point goes in some kind of weird orientation here.